Hello guys, and hope you are doing well today. In this video I am going to explain three useful you can say useful step of Binance launch pool. And what is step of those is what is advantage of participating in launch pool, what is disadvantage of participating in launch pool, and how you can earn even without participating in launch pool. So if you want to know about these things, don't forget to watch complete video. And as always, if you still not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and on the notification, and I'm sure you will get useful things on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe and on the notification. Okay guys, so here you can see Binance introduces on 1st of June 2021 a launch pool, and I'm going to introduce three major steps in this launch pool. Okay guys, and I'm sure you will get some useful knowledge from this video guys. Okay, and I'm also requesting that after watching this video you can give me your opinion, you can give me your feedback that how you get this video and how you see this video, like video is useful or this video was not useful. Okay guys, but before I go to introduce the launch pool and its advantage and disadvantage and how you can earn without participating in this launch pool, so here I want to share one more useful thing guys, and that is my refer link. Okay guys, why I'm sharing with you guys this refer link? Because this is useful for me as well for you. Like how much this useful for me, same is also useful for you guys, because I have 41% commission kickback, and I distributed my commission kickback equally with all you guys. So whoever joined Binance Exchange with my link, this is not screenshot guys, this is Binance Exchange. Here you can see. So here you can see my friends will also get 20% commission kickback if whoever join Binance Exchange with my link, and I will also get 21% commission kickback. So if you join Binance Exchange with my link, whenever you trade in Binance Exchange, you will get 21% commission fees as a reward back. Okay guys, whenever you trade in Binance Exchange. So now let's get back to the launch pool. Okay guys, so here you can see introducing Automata ATA on Binance launch pool. Form ATA by staking BNB, BUSD and DOT tokens to earn ATA. Okay guys, like you have to stake BNB, BUSD, DOT token to earn ATA tokens. Okay guys, so here is also launch pool information. But first I will explain advantage and like benefit of this launch pool. So the clear and profit and advantages of this launch pool, that if you want to participate, in this launch pool, then definitely you will earn some ATA tokens. Okay guys, so this is the main advantage and this is the main profit of participating in this launch pool guys. Okay, so what is then disadvantage of participating in this launch pool? The disadvantage of this launch pool is that, for example, here I will show you with the example. Okay guys, and I will also explain that how you can earn even without participating in a launch pool. Here you can see this is a BNB. Suppose guys, if you want to participate with BNB, and if you took entry on the current, like you buy a BNB at current price 381, okay guys, and you want to stake BNB for this launch pool, here you can see guys, already 10 million BNB staked for the reward, and the today reward will be 2.8 million ATA tokens. Okay guys, so if we divide this ATA to this one, and even we can't get 1 ATA per BNB, so the reward is not big for this launch pool. And the disadvantages for this launch pool is, for example, if the overall market crash, then you can lose your like small amount of money. If you took, for example, entry at current price and the market crash, then you can lose some of money. But how you can earn even without participating in this launch pool guys? Remember, this will be beneficial, and this will be profitable for upcoming launch pool guys. Okay, So whenever Binance launch a launch poll, they also must add BNB for staking. So whenever they announce a launch poll, I personally observed that BNB price increase from the announcement date. Okay, guys. So when they announce a launch poll, the BNB price like start pumping and the price will increase. So for upcoming days, if you found a new launch poll on Binance Exchange, then you have to take entry on a BNB and buy a small amount, and when the price increase you can sell it, or you can just put a stop loss and you can generate a small amount of money, guys. Okay, so this is the another useful and profitable things, that if you don't want to participate in launch poll, then buy BNB at the time of announcement, and when like after 1 day or 2 day, when the price of BNB increase, then you can sell it and book a profit. Okay, guys. And one more thing, that how you can also earn without participating in launch poll is, that is the listing time. So here you can see the trading. Binance will then list ATA into innovation zone at 7th of June, 6 a.m. UTC time. The trading will be like with pair of ATA BTC, ATA BNB, ATA BUSD, ATA USDT. Then you have to prepare your like specific coin like USDT, BUSD, BNB or BTC. Then you have to took the entry at the beginning of listing. Okay, guys. So there is a high possibility that you can earn 10x to even 100x profit if you took entry at the time of listing. But remember, guys, there is, I also observed a negative like things, that sometime this is not often like appear often, but this is appear sometime. A coin like list with a high price, and then the price like if you took entry at the high price, then there is a high possibility that you lost your money. So here you can see they you have to read also a little bit about the project. So the initial supply will be like 172 million. Okay, guys. So there is a chance that the price will be start from $1 to even $3 to $4 to $5. Okay, guys. And then you can even pump to $10, but this is only pump. Then after pump, this will also like decrease to its like we can say the level price. Okay, guys, like $1, $2 to $3. So you have to like again, this is not financial advice, but guys, you can take entry from $1 to $3. Okay, guys. So, and this is also you have to take entry at the beginning, not later. Okay, guys. And hope you like the video and enjoy the video. Kindly give me your feedback, that how you find this video. Is this video useful for you or not? Okay, guys. Thanks for watching and keep supporting. Have a nice day.